Alright, welcome back, Generals, to another Let's More Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Of course, we are still in the middle of the texture fixing, polishing efforts. Last video, we finished the CBN Bank night textures. There is one more thing that actually came to mind on the damaged thingy here. But that's very minor, I think. Yeah. So basically, we had we blacked out a bunch of things, right? And this is now really minor. But you know, I'm perfectionist, and so here's a blackout. So I blacked out up to this point here, right? But then this one is darker than it should be, right? If you compare this side with this side, you see this one is a little bit brighter. And I think the way we should fix it is we take selections here, like that. And then we make that gray, 50% gray, like that. See? Boom. Okay, so we need to go through all these places. Let's start at the top. Yeah, so we do the same here. Actually, yeah, let's do it like this. Okay. It's very minor, but if we can't do it right, let's do it right, right? Okay, is that it? Let's see. I think that's quite right. Good. So we are nearing perfection. Okay, and then we take this, copy merge that here. And and here at the end. And here. All right. Anything else? No. Let's. All right. Then next step, there was one more thing I wanted to fix on S. All right. The here the alpha channel. Fix window reflection shapes. So I say we take we sample this color and this, and then we paint here and here. No, and here and here and here and here, and that's it. Now it should match those windows properly. Okay. So we take that, copy merge, we drop that here, then we hide this, and then we do replicate it here. How do we do this? Well, here it's easy. Just remove that. And here we remove this. Then the question is, what do we do here? It's wrong. I guess we I think we simply take a copy of this and that, and then we make it a bit brighter. Like that. That should be good enough. All right, and I think that's it. Then this should be... what do we do? Right. I think we just merge this down. And then we copy this here. That's it. Then we are golden. Okay. I'm going to delete all this. Okay. And then DS, DS, yeah, and DSG. Yeah. Here we also have an alpha channel. Fix window reflection shapes DS. Let's see. I think here we simply paint white here. And then we paint here. Okay. I think that's good enough. Right. All right. Take that, copy merge, drop that here. And in DS, we take that and we add this one on top. Lighten. There we go. Good. I've got that fixed as well. Okay, anything else? I don't think so. SG. Ah, need to hide this. Yeah. Okay. Mm. Okay, I think it's done. No? Let's close all this, build it, and look at it. CBN Bank. S. Good. DS. Alright. ES. And RS. So pretty. Okay. And N. Yep, I think it looks good. All right, then we can create the pull request. First, we need the branch. Texture CBN Bank. Okay. So all these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, that's correcto. Good. Then I have this as well. Fix CBN bank textures. All right, there we go. Good, then I push that. This change fixes civilian CBN bank textures. Labels, art, optional, minor, civilian. All right. I think here we can remove this. Models have slightly mismatched shifted texture mapping. Also, models have, let's say, night models show imperfectly mapped textures on house facade. Yeah. Slightly imperfect. Okay. All right. Oh, we need to do that. Documentation takes a bit of effort. All right. Texture sizes, yeah, respectable. Good. All right. Good. Then we have that, and we can create the design changes. To 501 CBN bank textures. There we go. And today is the 6th of September. Fixes CBN bank. All right, fix. Then down here to 501. All right. Then we take, where is it? Here. Take that. And fix. Yeah. All right, and then we can take this, replace all. Good. All right, we got that. Oh, that needs to be removed. Good. Excellent. Excellent. Good. Then we push that, and now we are good. Add YAML. Okay, so we got that sorted. All files close, good. Then let's also push the fixes to Thyme that we did yesterday. For that we need to stash. Then we go to develop branch. Yeah, we probably have latest stash pop. We have multiple things here. I think I would say the first one we open is refactor magic numbers. Okay. Refactor magic numbers, and then we take everything here where we reduce those magic numbers. So this one. This one was actually a bug fix, I think. Yeah. So it don't. Yeah. Let's take this. This is also not that. This is fixing magic numbers. Let's double check that is all correct. Yeah. Okay. That looks good. Then here we have static assert. Yeah, it's not really fixing a magic number, but we can put that into this change as well. Okay, size of that, yeah, that's good. This is good as well. This one is something else. This is a magic number. This is something else. This is, yeah, magic numbers here. Well, here, yeah, array size. Array size is actually, wait, s print. This is string, yeah. Sn printf, array size. Wait, let me, sn printf. Sn printf. Let's double check the documentation. What is this? And maximum number of bytes. This is. This is extremely confusing. Here they talk of bytes, number of bytes. But here they say n-1 characters. Yeah, what now? Bytes or characters? It's not the same thing. I mean, yeah, on a 1 byte type, but... Boy. You need to be explicit on this shit. Let's see, Microsoft. Count. Let's see. Maximum number of characters. Yeah, that's what I also expected. Number of characters, not number of bytes. Len. The length of the formatted data string. Because, like, if we go to the white version of this, which is, yeah, this one here, W, which is for this 2-byte character, that's also count. Yeah. So it's not bytes, it's count, and then array size, as we did here, is correct, the correct way. The alternative, it was if it was really taking bytes, then we should have written size of, and not array size. Okay, but this is correct. This is correct as well. This one here we have had a const expr. What we simplified this. This is necessary. Yeah, I think that's fine. It's consistent with many other places. Here they had a uint pointer t, which is 4, but might as well just take like a real pointer, which is the real deal, and I think that is good. All right, next. Edit textures, yeah. Yeah. Textures. Yeah. Texture size. Texture size. All right. Static const expr. Okay, this one is array size. Array size -1. This is correct. Header name, and here -1. Hierarchy name -1. Yeah, it's correct, but it's a stupid way to write this. Actually, here it would be better to use strl copy. Yeah, but okay, we can go with this for now. It's fine. Okay, size of float. Yeah, that's good. This is something else. Size of char. Yeah, I mean, it's the same result, but it's technically more correct. Same here. Size of float. This looks correct. This is also good. Array size -1. This was 33. Yeah, 33. Okay. And Here we have size of format, that is 4 bytes, 4 plus 1 is 5, and this is 4. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we say this reduce or refactor magic numbers. Let's call it like this, magic numbers. Okay, commit this. Okay, I can also already push it. Okay, then we stash this, go to develop, and we stash pop what we have left, and we create in, we check what we make, what we do next. So there's this thing here, global lock. Let's call this fix on copy screen size global lock. I put this in there. Fix protect global lock, or test result of global lock in this function. Okay, and then we push that as well. Okay, then we stash this again, go to develop, and oops, stash pop again. Next. Okay, so this was my next suggestion here. Refactor. Oh my gosh. Casts. Refactor assign static. refactor sign variable, or refactor use of variable or unused refactor former unused variable in this function. Okay, let me also push that. Okay, next. Stash pop. Yeah, is this necessary? I don't know. Maybe. Ah, this one. This is it's called fix memset ema manager. Fix memset size in this function. All right, I think that's enough fixing for now. Actually, no, there's one more thing we need to fix. Right. Well, let's get back to develop. Stash pop. It was. Let's close this here. It was here. Here, this thing. Right. And here. Do we have more of that? No. Good. Then find matching. Fix condition. Fix condition operator. Here. Wait, I need to branch. Fix operator. Oof. DX8 FVF category container. All right. Let's say fix operators in this. All right. Good. And then everything can be reviewed individually. All right. Now we go here. profile the assembly armada, and then we, all right, so this is refactor. I think we can write it like this, and the compiler will bake it. Yeah. So then this, there no longer will be the static, and this will be baked to become minus like it was before, and this will be plus. So this multiplication is cancelled out. This is cancelled out because this is 1, so it's no op. Yeah. So it becomes no op. This becomes non-existent because it's a const expr compile time. Sign is now compile time, so static will be gone. Multiplication will compile out. Okay. Good. So that's the first thing. Next. This one. I think this is wrong. Yeah. I mean, it was wrong. Yeah. Memset list. Looks like memset had wrong size. Fixing. Okay, this one is this change gets rid of a few magic numbers. Refactoring. Now tests global lock. Global lock. Now test global lock in this. Fixing. This is bug fixing. Good. Then copy link. A few small fixes and refactors. Fixes and improvements. All right. Good. Then we got the Thyme reviews created, just small tweaks and fixes. Yeah, good. All right. Then we go to yeah, let's stash this. Go to develop branch. Stash pop. I think we can delete this branch down here. And then we compile this one. Yeah, let's rebuild solution. Clean build. Okay. Good. Then I would say we go right to the next texture set, since we are in good flow here. TDS. Yeah. All right. Good. Then in Git, we go to patch and we go to main branch. Our machine is a bit slow now because of the compiling. Maybe we wait for it to complete. All the threads are busy. By the way, this one is a private Discord server, invitation only, but there's not much chatting going on right now. There was a time when it was more active, but yeah, last year or so it was not much chatting in here. Yeah. Yeah, well, the main development is driven by me. Wow, my cursor is very slow. The CPU is bogged down by the compiling. Wow. Wow, so slow. Okay. I think my machine is dying right now. So what it only gets slow when I'm in Discord. Wow. Discord is very draining. Interesting. So yeah, it's not much activity here, unfortunately, but yeah, I mean, this happens when there's just one person working. Yeah, there was a more activity back in the day when like a lot of discussions were happening, like discovering all the issues. So if we go to this here, issue reports. So overall, we had over 800 issue reports, 500 still open, 300 closed. And yeah, with this discovery, like all these bug reports, many of them came from discussions in the Discord, right? Someone would write something, and then I would go ahead and then I would create an issue report out of that, so that it's publicly, um, tracked. Yeah. And we are not reliant on Discord chats, and in Discord eventually information gets lost, right? But if we have it here on the public GitHub repository and the issue tracker, then it stays there, right? And this was, I would say, main discovery in 2021 to 2023, 2 years or so, lots of issue reporting. And I think we covered a lot. Yeah. I mean, like the big things. The big things for gameplay is probably covered. Big bugs are covered. What is not covered are like small thingies, like the texture issues, for example, or sound issues or model issues. Small things like this are not covered by these. But everything that is functionality-wise a problem, or in a GUI or things like this, is tracked. Yeah, everything that is a bug, or something that looks very bad, or sounds very bad, or is glitching, whatever. All this is tracked. Well, probably not everything. There's probably still things that we have not discovered. But I would say it's pretty complete. Yeah. And yeah, this was good effort, because people came together and they collected all their wisdoms and contributed. But yeah, this is like low effort, right? People just know things and they raise it, and then we write it down, right? So yeah. But when it comes to actual development of things, that's a different story, because then people actually need to change logic and fix things, and this is where it stops for most contributors. So if we look on insights contributors, so there's a number of contributors. Here just a few. So Stubjax did a lot of really good changes with balance related changes. Last year. That was very nice. Alan Black, aka Hanfield, did a lot of fixes at the beginning, first weeks. Comi2 did a lot of fixes over the years. And I did also a lot of fixing and polishing and stuff like this. Yeah. Well, if someone has more information here, more bugs or things that they know are obscure, then feel free to make a report. But I would say 90% of things that people raise is already tracked in some capacity. Yeah. I mean, let's have a look. Let's look at some random. Anthrax bomb sometimes doesn't render. Right? That's a problem. So it's like here is all Anthrax. The buggies are dying, but it's not rendering it here. Right? But it doesn't really show an issue. Okay. Then, okay, compilation is finished. That's good. Then, yeah, let's get started on the next texture set. CBN barn. CBN barn. CBN barn. CBN barn. Ah, this is the wrong folder. CBN barn. Yeah, this one. Okay, so up to here. Okay, then let's look at the summer. Can probably delete this and this. Oh, we didn't do winter. That could be a problem. No, we did winter. Good. Okay, E, R. What is missing? G. There. Okay, let's look. All right. Ah, it's a farmhouse. The for the chickens, chicken house. All right, let's bring this in order. D, G, R. All right. I really like that they made good use of the texture. Everything is filled. All right, so D. Yeah, we have a damage transition. That's good. I see there's some compression artifacts mismatches, but yeah, I guess that's fine. What did I do here? Lighten. Because it has a mismatch. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. R. G. What did I do here? Oh, it was missing window barricades. Okay, so I added them from SG. And DG. Also, it had barricades, but no, some damage mismatches. Yeah. There's this thing where here in case you wonder, those holes here, they come into existence for some textures on the garrison textures. So, basically, open a hole in the wood so that the rocket soldiers and other soldiers can shoot through it. That's basically the logic here behind this thing. And probably also so that you see that someone is sitting inside, like visually have a feedback, right? So we leave those holes here. I think I removed them on some objects though, but I need to see. But I think they should stay. Yeah, they should stay. Good. Yeah, this fix looks proper to me. Then let's look at the others. Winter. SSG, DS, DSG, ES RS. Good. Let's look at that. Ah, by the way, we probably also want to check alpha channel. Oh, only got a fence here. All right, then let's just check it's all the same. Okay, that looks good. All right, then let's take a look at snow. Oh, this one has more damages, different damages than this one. Oh no, it has the same. Okay. Okay. Good. All right, so we have S. S looks good. SG. Interestingly, there's no snow on top of the barricades, but it's not wrong. DS. Ah, there's the same issue here. Yeah. Ah, this one removes the snow. So DSG had snow, but we removed that. And also this error, yeah. No, it looks like we did a good job here. Yeah, good job. All right. Yeah, I don't see any fault here. Okay, then we can attack the night textures, I guess. Let's see. This looks promising. NG. Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's something wrong here. Yeah, something is not right. Let me see. Okay, let's close the winter textures. Good. So this. So we have it. We have this door here. Yeah. What's the goal here with this door? Lights. I mean, this makes sense, right? But this door. It's like a wooden door, and like it has little cracks and everything. Yeah, this makes sense actually. It's like the door is not like perfectly shut, or it's not perfectly fitting the door frame, right? It's a wooden door, so light can shine through. Yeah, this makes sense. But then what was the goal here then? This looks wrong then. Yeah, okay. Well, what we can, I mean, if N is okay and NG is okay as well, Well, it has a slight mismatch here. Yeah. Okay, let's look at this on the model. cbnbarncoo. N. Gets lightning, kills scene lights. Yeah. Okay, so the windows look perfectly fine to me. There's a chicken barn. The door, yeah, it makes sense. We should maybe fix this thing here. Some artifacts here. And this also makes sense, yeah. Yeah, this looks good to me. In principle. Okay, then how about... let's look at the garrison. NG. Okay, the shapes are good for the barricades, yeah. Shapes are good. All right, then good. Let's look at this thing here. Just checking if there's any... No. Okay. Okay, how about put here fix artifacts, yeah, S, N, and then we take black, pencil, put it on 50%, black, and we paint here and here. Okay, probably also here. All right, and then we take this here and we paint here, and we take this and paint here, and maybe here, but no, that's okay. Okay, how about that? Got rid of the artifacts, really minor, but since we touched the other ones, might as well do that. It's a small texture, so that's fine. Good. Then we have this. Then NG. NG, we take this, copy merged, and we put this here. cbnbarncoo and merged, and then we take this and this. Yeah. Yeah. And then we take this and put a new layer here, make a copy, call that ng.dds, and put that on darken. Boom. Done. Difference is This one changed a bit. This one changed a bit. It's not much. All right. All right, then DN. Yeah, so DN. It's a bit, the light is a bit dark, I think. Like it's too muted, no? Like it doesn't really look like a light anymore. That's weird. Yeah. Okay, so what I think we should do is, so we take N and we put that here, and what about the damages? There are damages here. Yeah. Okay. So okay, how about we take this, copy, then DN, put that here, then take this, put that here, cbnbarncoo d.dds, barncoo dds, put that to difference, put that here, cbnbarncoo d, this difference, saturation, inverts, levels, new folder, damage, dn, put in there, multiply, okay, then make it darker. All right. Okay. So we got a little bit of nice damage on there. Then we make a cutout here. All right. Then we make, I can probably, keep it. Right. I do fix artifacts. Ten. Okay. Okay, how about that? Mm-hmm. Okay, then we apply this, that. Okay, and then maybe the original was really quite dark. So how about we make levels darken, delete that, maybe just a bit. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Maybe a bit darker. I think that's good enough. Okay. So there's that, and then take this, copy merged, drop this here, and we take this, duplicate TNG. DN merged. Okay. Okay. NG. DNG. DNG. Yeah. Okay, before testing this, let's document what we just did. cbnbarncoo. So cbnbarncoo n, we fixed just very minor artifacts. Fixes minor light artifacts on door, on barn door. And then on NG, we pretty much did the same. NG. Yeah, so we can make a copy like this. Okay, and on DN and DNG, there we here we fixes barn fixes barn door light inconsistencies with N. Barn door light inconsistencies, yeah. And then increase or recreates light damages, yeah. Exactly. Which are now brighter, recreates light damages. Okay. Good. Yeah, that's it. Let's see how that looks then after we save. Now, what I don't like about what I did here is that I deleted the background layer for the NGs. I wonder if I can do it in a way that we preserve this, because then it makes it easier to see like what has changed towards the status quo when looking at it the next time. But sometimes it's not so feasible. Let me see. NG and DNG, where is it? Yeah. So we have this. It is interesting that here at the bottom the light becomes less. You know what's also weird? Looking at this now. It makes no sense that there's no light spill here, right? So you have light spill here, up, left, right, but not here. There's like a black hole. That makes no sense. Okay. Maybe, so let's make a fix door artifacts. Fix lights. Fix window light spill. N. And then we take this. Let's create curves. Yeah. Let's make a generous selection. Put that here. Okay. And let's yeah. Let's see. Okay, now we reduce the opacity. Yeah, I would imagine it to be more like this, right? Yeah. So there should still be light spill in between. Also, since we already touch here this light, maybe we can also fix the compression artifacts here. We just take a copy of this. Yeah. Like that. Copy. And then we put that here. Move that over. Edit, transform, flip horizontal. And we say fix barn door artifacts. How about we make a container? Fix artifacts and let's put that on lighten. Oh, that didn't work. Okay. Okay, there we go. Oh, maybe not. Don't clear this. Okay. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay. Now maybe make this a bit brighter. 55. All right. Good. Then we can add additional fixes minor light artifacts. Yeah. And then here as well. Okay, see, the more we look, the more issues we find. Good, then we make a copy merge on this one, put it in here. There we go. And then copy merge this one, put it here. Okay, but now we need to check this one. Yeah. Because now we cannot do this, or can we? Looks like all the shapes are very simple except this one. So I think what we can do is we create a new layer, barricades, ng, yeah. And then we create in there a shapes. And we make here our manual shapes, yeah. Okay. And here. And then on top of that we use, oh, those shapes look trash because it's not black. Yeah. So this should now it's not quite the same. It's a bit different. Okay. Yeah, maybe we take a mask here. Oh, here. Like that. Okay. How about that? Is that fair? Maybe not. Okay. So we use the original barricades, shadows, but we use our new lights, right? Yeah. So that's good. Can we delete the shapes here? Yeah. Yeah, I think we can do this. Well, then actually don't need this. Actually, we should do this. Yeah. Let's do this way. Okay, so this is the original. Okay. Good. Yeah, then let's do it like this. Barricade NG and DNG. All right. Good. Let's build this and look at it. What about documentation? Minor light artifacts, barn door, recreates light damages. Yeah. All right. cbn barn. Got n ng dng. Yeah. Good. All right. Lightning kills scene lights. Good. All right. Good. I think that looks pretty. Then let's see NG. Actually here, this is black down here. That should not happen, right? Okay. Okay, then how about how about make this gray. Maybe not as much. Okay, let's try this. Duplicates. Okay, save, save, build. Ng. So now there's no longer this black thingy here underneath. Yeah. Good. There's some blackness, but okay. So way too much science going into this again. Yeah. Okay, how about we do this then? I think that's fair, no? Okay, let's try that. Oh. I think that's better, yeah. Nice. Good. All right. Yeah, this looks good. Then let's look at DN. Yeah, that also looks fresh. Okay. And DNG. Great. Okay. Yeah, I think that's very minor but tangible improvements on the light. Yeah. NG, DNG. All right. Okay. Then let's look at SN. But before we do that, maybe... Ah, yeah, there is snow. Snow is drawing over the windows, so we do need a snow variant. Yeah. Okay. Then let's take a look at the original. N SN. Yeah, there we go. SN SDS. Yeah. Right. Oh yeah. This one does have snow here. Yeah, but we have to remake it basically. But it's not a problem. So we take... Also, it looks like this one has a wider gap. Ah, because there's snow there, yeah. I mean, the original doesn't look too bad. Absolutely. I think it looks fine. There's really nothing much wrong with it. But since we touched this, might as well remake it. Oops. That is not right. Copy merged. There we go. Oh, still wrong. There we go. cbnbarncoo and merged. And then we take this, put that here, and then we take DS, this, yeah, we take also the S, DS, wait, no, just S. What am I doing here? S. This. And then put that, yeah. So this is how about go to DN, copy this one, duplicates the SN here. Then we rename this to snow. Then we take those, put them here, hide this, hide that, put this here, rename this to S, DDS, and this one this. Then we rename S, hue saturation invert levels darken, remove this, okay. All right. Then put this on difference. All right. I take levels. Mm-hmm. 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 Don't think we should. Yeah, we don't use this. Just that. Mm-hmm. Okay, and then we create a new fix artifacts. And then we take the pencil and we put the 10%, and then we fix the artifacts. Oh, we need to paint white. There we go. Mm-hmm. Good. Whoa, this one is wild. It's a bit too much here. I mean, let's look at the S. Yeah, it does have a lot of snow on there, but let's take that as reference. Yeah, it does have a lot of snow particles on the windows, but we don't have to make it so extreme. Let's go to levels and dial this back. Yeah, dial this back. I think this is better, and then maybe a bit here. Okay, and then we take a fix artifacts, and then yeah, and then we paint here, make it darker. Before we do that, let's take another curves here, make it like so. I need some water. Okay. Okay, then let's paint a bit. Yeah. Okay. I zoom in a bit, get better clarity. All right. Good. And then we need to paint here. Also here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, does this make sense? I think it does. Okay, let's do the same here. It doesn't need to be fully dark. A light can still shine a bit through the snow, which also looks fine. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I think that is pretty decent. Maybe a bit more. Put it back on 10%. Okay. Okay. Technically, it's not quite correct that we put the snow on top of the feathered light, right? If you think about it, but it certainly is the easiest way to do this. Otherwise, well, becomes quite complicated. Okay. I think this is pretty decent by the looks of it. Levels darken we don't need. Yeah. Okay, let's apply this and that. And delete this. And delete that. Okay. Okay. Let's duplicate this. So this is how it looked before. This is how it looks now. It's quite different because of all the pixels in the snow. Let's see how that looks then. So this looks pretty clean, right? Pretty clean snow. Let's see how this one looks. Save. Yes. Okay. Built. Mm-hmm. 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 How about we make a mix of the original and our edits? So we have snow SN. So we put this in here. This is cbnbarncoo sn.dds. Yeah. First we make another copy as keep our reference here. And then we take this piece. Hold on. Yeah, we take this and this and this and that. Yeah. And we take a layer. That won't work. Well, yeah, no, we have to take the whole thing. So how about we reduce opacity 40%. So basically a mix between the original and our own interpretation of the snow. Yeah. So maybe we put this down here. Up here. We should probably then fix this here. Okay. Okay, so this is the original. This is our edit. It's very similar, but a bit more action. Okay, let's see how that looks. cbnbarncoo n yeah, no. All right, there we go. Yeah, I think that looks pretty fresh, right? Let's see here. Yeah. So it has the original look, but it's a bit more snow on top, crispy snowflakes. Yeah. That's good. Now you won't really see it when looking from far away, obviously. But if someone cares to zoom in, then he will see. Oh, by the way, it looks like here's a door. The bright door. Yeah. Okay. Good. I think it looks okay. Now the only thing that's maybe a bit weird is the overhangs here. Light overhang. Maybe we should polish that more. think that's better. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Good. I'm happy with this. Looks good to me. All right, then we can delete all this here. Let's check this once more. Yeah, looks good. Okay, delete that. Save. Now SNG, that should be simple enough. We just take this, copy merge. Right, and then we take NG, this one, duplicates SNG. There's no snow on the... There's no snow on the barricades, right? SG. Yeah, no snow. Good. SNG. Yeah, that looks good. What is this here? No. cbnbarncoo SN merged. Yeah. And then, yeah, we take DN. This. Yeah, copy merged. Put that here. And duplicate the snow. DSN. Yeah. Yeah, okay. SN. It makes it like that though, doesn't it? Yeah. Maybe we should darken it and then here decrease that a bit. Yeah, should do that. DSN. Yeah. This is DN merged. Okay. Okay. This- How about we do this a bit different? We take SN as a base. And we take DN, put that on top. And then we take this. Okay. All right. So this is the original. This is a remake. All right. SN. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. This looks good as well. All right. SN. Oops. Zoom out. All right. I think this looks all good built. Yeah. All right. Then let's look at it. CBN barn. Alrighty. For the chickens. Good. This looks fine. SN. This looks good. Alright. Then SNG. Oh wow. There's some Z clipping. Whoa. Let's document that. SNG. cbnbarncoo SNG has Z clipping wall. Yeah, that's epic. Good. And DSN. That looks good. Nice and crispy. And DSNG. It also looks good. Looks like the chickens escaped here from the barn. They ran through the fences. They're now on the loose, causing havoc in the villages. Yeah, the chickens. Very dangerous. Good. I think this looks pretty. I think it looked fine already before. We just polished it a bit more. Right. Yeah. There you go. A bit more polishing doesn't hurt. Good. Then let's open the here. Oh, we already have it open. Okay, so fixes minor light artifacts. Fix minor light inconsistencies. Is that true? For SNG, DSN. Yeah, that also has a wrong door here. Yeah. Recreate slight damages. I would say we just put the same documentation here. Yeah. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, yeah. 1, 2. 13, yeah. Okay. And now there's one more question here. ER. Let's look at these guys. ER. Are there any floating pixels? No, doesn't look actually. Yeah, let's look at the actual model. R. Oh yeah, there are here some. Yeah, okay, we can fix that maybe. We didn't touch R yet. Yeah, we touched none. Actually, did we? No. It's just one here. Yeah, for one floating pixel, I think it's not worth it to touch this. Yeah, it's really just one. It's this something in here, I think. Yeah, forget about that. Yeah, it's not a big deal. Okay. I guess we can close all. What did we do here? Nothing. Save. Good. All right, I would say I'm happy with this set. Looks good to me. We can open the pull request for that. Oh no. First need to create a branch and everything. Okay, text, wait. We are still on CBN Bank. Yeah, okay. Texture, cbnbarncoo. What does coo stand for? Coo, coo. I don't know. Coo. Chicken. I don't know. There's one more thing. There are EN textures and so on. Let's see. Yeah, there's ESN. That is just pure black. Then there is there's no en, that's not used. RSN is also not used. Okay. So there's en. Oh wow. en2. RN is also not used. Okay, so ESN is used, but it's black. EN, this is unused. Thank God. RN is also unused. There's no RSN. Okay. Then we make a text document here. cbnbarn. En. Is unused. And RN as well. Is unused. All right. Okay. And so it's only ESN. So we go in here and make a copy of that. And then we take the ESN and we drop the yeah, and then we say optimizes texture size. Basically, it will be 16 squared pixel. That's it. Good. Then let's prepare the documentation. Yeah. Alrighty. Good. And then we can add those text files. And then we can add this thing. Yeah, let's build to make sure that it builds. And it does. Yeah. Good. Then I think there's nothing else to say. Oh, the poor chickens. They got flattened in that barn. Poor chickens. Good. All right. Then this looks kind of weird here, but okay. See. Good. Then let's go to Git. Got everything here, yeah. All right. Then fix cbnbarncoo textures. cbnbarncoo, yeah. And we submit that. And then we push that. And then And then that's done. Okay, this change fixes civilian cbnbarncoo textures. Good. Art, minor, civilian, and optional. Yeah, and then here we copy this, and here we make a to-do. All right. All right. Create pull request. And I think that's it. Yeah. Good. Then we create here. That is 502. 502. cbnbarncoo. All right. Good. All right. 502. Fixes cbnbarncoo. Today is the 6th September. All right, then go here and copy that and drop this, remove that, take the fix, this one is optimization, and then we got this. All right. Good. cbnbarncoo, yeah. All right, I think that's all right, all correct. Correcto. cbnbarncoo here. Add YAML. Good. And we push that. All right, so we got a barncoo done. This one was actually a faster texture set. Luckily, because there's not much going on this building. All right, so how long did we record? 2 hours 40. Yeah, I think it's time for a break now. All right, good. And I hope you enjoyed. And until next time. Goodbye.